of the most photographed places in the whole of the UK. Today I'll be walking along the Jurassic coast, starting from Lulworth Cove and ending at Durdle Door. I started my hike at Lulworth Cove car park. It cost £6 to park here. I started walking towards the beach and passed a few shops on the way, including this one selling fish and chips. Lulworth Cove has a beautiful white pebble beach. The water is calm and has a turquoise colour. I don't think I've seen water this clear anywhere else in the UK. After exploring the beach, I hiked up the edge of the cove, and from here you get a beautiful panoramic view of the coast. You can see the whole shape of the cove from up here and the stunning colour of the water. After exploring Lulworth Cove, I carried on walking along the coastal path towards Durddle Door. I hiked up these very steep steps. This was the most challenging part of the hike, but it was well worth it. The views from up here were stunning. It gets really windy when you get to the top. As you can see here, there's a group of tourists who are trying to prevent their hats from flying off in the wind. After walking for about 30 minutes, I reached this sign for Durddle Door. From here you have to hike down towards the beach. The path here is uneven, so watch your step as you climb down. This is a view of Manowar Beach, which is incredibly beautiful. This is also a pebble beach. Durddle Door is located right behind Manowar Beach. To access the beach, you'll need to walk down these steps. I've seen so many pictures of Durddle Door, but seeing it in person for the first time was an amazing experience. This couple decided to go for a dip despite the strong waves. I wouldn't recommend swimming in this spot. I spent some time here taking in the views before hiking back up the steps and then down towards Manowar Beach, which is right next to Durddle Door. The views as you walk down to Manowar Beach are incredibly beautiful. This beach is a lot less busy than Durddle Door. If you'd like to go in the water, I recommend doing it here instead of Durddle Door. The water here is very calm. I did see a number of people going in the water and they seemed very comfortable. After exploring Manowar Beach, I then climbed back up the steps and started walking towards Lulworth Cove. Unfortunately, the weather turned really cloudy at this point. Here is Manowar Beach, and right behind it, you have Durddle Door. Oh, it's so windy right now. I can't even talk. Cows grazing down there. That's Lulworth Cove over there. I just came from up there. If you are going to do this walk, I recommend parking near Lulworth Cove, which is just down there. Explore that area, then walk up these stairs, or these steps, all the way up there, and then you just follow this path down. You'll get to Durddle Door, and then right next to Durddle Door you have Manowar Beach. If you want to swim, I recommend swimming in Manowar Beach because the water is really calm. Durddle Door, on the other hand, I wouldn't recommend swimming down there because the waves were quite strong. Walking down isn't any easier because it's so steep. You kind of have to hold yourself from slipping. My shoes ripped on the way up, so I'm really struggling at the moment. So this is Lulworth Cove. As you can see, there's a number of shops around here. Tourist shop. So if you want to buy souvenirs. There's also a fish and chips place further down, and they sell food. There's a couple cafes as well. There is a toilet just down there, but I think it's closed. Toilet closed. Sorry for the inconvenience. The struggle of trying to post a TikTok video. Here, there's literally no connection. It's so bad. I had to wait a while for this to post. So I'm walking up to the very edge. You can't actually go past this area. It's completely empty, there's no one here. Got the whole place to myself. Stunning. Absolutely no one here. I'm gonna get that. Oh, look at this seagull. What are you eating? Hello. Some crisps in my bag. I'm gonna give him some crisps. But you've got to come up to me. Oh, he's just done shit. Yeah. Wow. Bye, Mr. Seagull. Wow. Beautiful bird. There's some people swimming down there. It's so windy and dusty up here. So there's a few guys swimming just down there.